guys are fucking drunk again, yeah? You wanna go over there now? Over there? Let's go. Was that fun?
Yeah. Lock! I lock! I lock.
My girl. Gotta love that girl. Just gotta love her. For all our faults, she's a number one. Yeah, baby.
What?
Good.
Ay. What?
Look how much fun. Fun?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
fun.
yeah, fun. Needle scaling with Daisy May in the Philippines, baby. It's okay. Go ahead, just keep going. There you go. Yeah, what?
Set.
You can do it any way you like. Without any explanation, there is my paint from Florida and supplies from 2012. And there are some more cans here. Is that Daisy?
Yeah,
Look.
again.
You're my dream girl?
Yeah, my dream boy.
What am I?
My dream boy.
Oh, I'm her dream boy. I'm letting her unwrap the paint, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, big day, yeah?
Yes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Tayong buntag.
and there she goes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the crew at City Hardware here. This is our new compressor. And now, without asking, this place is amazing. Without asking, the gentleman who gave us a 5% discount walked up to me and said, this is a free gift. That is the first time in the Philippines anybody ever gave us anything for free. So what I'm going to say is, this store is absolutely amazing. They have a hardware department. Jason, yeah? Nelson, and there's like 6 guys back there. They run around like little ants. Except me and Jason aren't so little. And they service you like an amazing, it's an amazing place. This place made my whole day. Thank you. Thank you, Jason. I said, do you have a bigger cup? Run in the back. Comes out with a 1 horse. Comes out with a 2 horse. It's like a go-getter. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Okay, a free gift. at City Hard. Look at the size of this place. This is the Philippines too, baby. Amigo, amiga, would you like to be on YouTube? Yes or no? Yeah? No. Ali, okay. Okay, we will be back. We will go get our other, we're gonna shop. We will be back, promise. No bakakun. Thank you, Lloyd. You made my whole day. Thank you very much. And you, customer assistance.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You have a nice day.
Yeah.
And your
Thank
name?
you, sir. Yes, sir.
Haynes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, Haynes. And you?
Juby.
Juby. That's my name.
That's my name.
Juby Haynes.
Juby Haynes.
Juby
Shanghai.
Haynes.
Shanghai.
Look at you. You're like a weightlifter, yeah? You're a weightlifter, yeah? Look, me.
Oh, girl. Oh, girl.
Gahi.
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 Oh.
Yeah, man.
Man.
Yeah. The beach. Like that.
No.
Yeah. The beach. All right, amigo. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, everybody. We have more shopping to do. Thank you. We will go.
Okay, sir.
All right, Lloyd. See you in a couple of hours.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye. This is a great place. I'll show you the entrance. Hello, amigo. Mayan gabi. No, dali gabi? Are you sure? Have a nice day, sir. City Hardware. And we found this place by total accident. There's definitely, we were at the Tire Queen this morning. Tire Queen has like 6 tanks in front of their place. This place has like 60. Just to give you an idea. I don't know how much they charge you to put this on the ferry. But this place is amazing. I hope they build one in Palawan. Oy vey. Ah, look, that nice straight cloud right across the top of the building. Look at that nice straight cloud. If it was on an angle, it would be the same angle as the building. Yeah, baby. I like the way that one came out. The rest of these, not so much. But that straight one, that's the one. Okay, honey, we gotta go pick up the stuff from the other place, yeah? We're gonna leave the vegetables there. Over there, yeah?
Yeah.
This is Michael Fazio and
This is me.
in the
In the
Philippines,
Philippines.
baby. Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Chewbacca in the Philippines, baby.
Amping for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch Daisy put the cribbing under the container when I push the fulcrum down. Now, wait. Okay, there you go. That's it. Finished. About push it back, maybe 1 inch. Yeah. Yep. That's it. That's a beautiful thing. Oy vey.
And shalom.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to explain to Daisy. Go ahead, sweep a little bit. Let me back up just a little bit. How to clean a container, the inside of the container. And she's sweeping. Go ahead, now sweep. We're doing 1 sheet at a time. But Daisy, look at me.
Yeah.
If you sweep twice as fast, we'll be done in half the time.
Okay.
Oy vey and
Shalom.
from Rabbi Chewbacca and
This is me.
in the Philippines, baby. Okay. Twice as fast, half the time. Daisy, oy vey, and shalom. It's okay. From the Philippines, baby. Okay, as I explained in a previous video, all of these holes are pre-drilled because the coconut lumber is so hard. You can't bang the nails through it. These are soft nails. These are the only nails that you can get in the Philippines, actually. So, let me have the hammer, polyhook. Okay, so you have to, if you pre-drill it, that's just through the first board almost all the way. Then you can suck the head down, and I put the nails on an angle. I call it the crow's foot or the eagle's talon, where you just put 2 nails down in different directions. And I didn't mean to do the devil horns there. I guess you could call it the devil horns. We have the devil horn nail. The devil horn nail. Now, the other boards are soft. You? Sure. If you like. Daisy banging the nails. Hold on, Daisy. Okay, wait. Let me look at your face. It's pretty hot here today, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, wait. Let me show you how to hold the hammer. Yeah, no, you hold the hammer with your thumb. Like this. In the back.
Okay.
Not this, because then the hammer rolls. And you push down with your thumb.
Okay.
You push.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Ay.
Try, no. Small taps. Gamai, 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 gamai. Gamai, 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 gamai. Double tap. That's perfect the way you're doing it. This is Daisy's first nail. That's it. You see how much more control you have with your thumb in the back?
Yeah.
Good girl. You did really good, Daisy.
More?
Yeah, flush. That's it. All right, give me a big smile. And,
Huh?
and this is Michael Fazio and
This May.
in the Philippines, baby. Oy vey.
May.
And shalom. Okay.